At the beginning of this, I asked everybody, hey, who here has used AI in some capacity today? And I think about half the room raised their hand, maybe more. If you would have asked that same question a couple of years after the internet came out and said, hey, how many people here have used the internet today? I don't think you would have gotten maybe but a tenth of the room raising their hand in that scenario. So the speed at which people are adopting AI, the simplicity that it makes, like this, it's so easy to get value out of AI that people are going to adopt it really quickly. And so let me bring this to my point. I believe that companies exist off what their customers expect. And I think that customers are going to expect that your company is AI enhanced or AI capable because they're not going to like working with companies that aren't, because they're going to get used to the simplicity that AI brings to their experience, and they're going to expect that you care about them enough to provide them that. And so I think that whether a company will be here in a year or not depends on a lot, but I think that the customer expectation is changing very fast, and I think companies should pay very close attention to that.